Welcome back. Our session for today is the legacy of late Sri Tashirakyas, an eminent Ladakhi scholar. A conversation between Ngawang Tsering Shakspo and Sri Murupnamgyal, moderated by Renjanammo. Ngawang Tsering Shakspo is a well-known Ladakhi writer who has worked at the JNK Academy of Art, Culture and Languages and was the chief editor and the head of Academy in Leh for about 2 decades. He has authored several books, which include A Cultural History of Ladakh, amongst others. Presently, Ngawang Tsering is the director of Center for Research on Ladakh and the editor of Ladakhi Review Journal. Sri Murup Namgyal is a renowned Ladakhi folk singer, dramatist, narrator, folklore exponent, and lyricist. He was conferred with the prestigious National Award Padma Shri by the Government of India in 2004 in recognition of his outstanding contribution to the nation. Murup Namgyal worked on a documentation project of folk songs and Kesar Saga of Ladakh with the Ladakh Cultural Academy. Rinchen Ammo is an independent journalist and also the former founding and editor of Reach Ladakh Bulletin. Presently, she is a media fellow with the Energy and Resources Institute, TERI, New Delhi. Join us for an interactive session with our eminent scholars where they pay tribute to the legendary late Sri Tashirakyas.
So the topic for the session is the legacy of Sri Tashi Rabges. So I am in conversation with very senior speakers, two senior speakers, Murup Namgyal and Ngawang Tsering Shakspo. So before starting the session, I'm going to brief a little bit about the background of Tashi Rabges. So Tashi Rabges was a very well-known scholar and historian of Ladakh. He devoted himself to Buddhist philosophy and its ways of life at a very early age. Many initiatives and research in other areas about Ladakh have benefited from him, as he is an expert not only in Tibetan, Bothi language, but also in English language. Besides being a scholar of the Mahayana and Vajrayana Buddhism, he devoted himself to Buddhist philosophy and its ways of life at very early age. He played many roles, like he was the in charge of Ladakhi program Radio Kashmir Srinagar. He was appointed as lecturer Buddhist Studies Delhi University. He also worked as information officer with Jammu and Kashmir government. And he is also the founder president of Ladakh Cultural Forum Leh. Besides, he has been the secretary of Ladakh Buddhist Association and member General Council Sahitya Academy in New Delhi. Besides that, Tashi also worked as an education officer in Ladakh Ecological Development Group, an NGO, and he is also one of the founding members of International Association for Ladakh Studies. So now he is no more. So I'll request Sri Murup Namgyal to introduce him or say ajang le tening changme sang mula tangi ajang le ngiti molen samara ajang Murup Namgyal le tening ata daksa mele ngatang nang yampo metenok ngata daksa kung tong sting ngatang nang yampo dalte tal dek almost dek chokshik song teno halale tene ngata sorches latio sor ngina ajang Murup Namgyal le tene khong nang yampo mangemo yot kyak tene chagla sang mamang pucho ste inok sete mola halale tene ajang le kazuk shik molen ngera e khong nang yampo kazuk shik chagla zatin ya kazuk shik zatin teves ko lal zapishi mol na hala jang le
kasaju somala jule yote mitan metetan dete medanyam ba matang la sina tuk mijgin pin kao gatak tuktunang dunchi parla gatu supa mananyam pu manyel del nyemol spin tangejete o ba yu wanla pajigna sapi pajikazu bel tene maja sko la nan pet sordo sina azom j'apprécie la pièce jeunesse septième ma tene buma rangakaru jal juanyampo matang la jumiri cast of danes murnam gel song tashi biel bote ko ngala la yankar yede zestes ma page mayons lo bin spe aba laxpa kispa aba laxpa balkan yat ka song noram ngala balkan bote imsha tene na mana tako semme mi ngeras gordung mardum achang machla jubsumba sin no lole Yera non per sordo si schiot malarak despa. Teo nga man bano amos pana kashir biya jikse pa amlar. Mana tel digans mong yera ale. Amos pana korte on sana kursi tel de chika akhbar jikselin na jikse bite. Yeter zana jujus niyat. Koma aranga kashir biya oti kursi ka. Ale yera non per sordo za schiot. Schiot pa sana tene nga jans ko kosa tans ko ajana. Divina, ata shegela namik nispaji, ma namik chikpaji dukche si piasal skasuna. Angatan sko soso jikti du nora ana yelo kharji ngatan sko nyampoze ne. Yalz. Kharji zo tanyera ale don. Tan sko rwenye samta mana bagar tanse son sko se tanse donneto samkanji sko kani ale. Tenna skampe papa thupa taki mancha bazar tayi donat pinju. Tenis ferer de moçik ma şaçsın tek ayo arale. Kuma pezgik samayon böyle pezgik yoçesi pezgik isna pezgik va pezgik te pezgik bunena pin konspasana sarmana şuttukça menjo. Yaşımı geldi tane sar şuksu görpen ba. Çiçesin mutubrante o sar şuksan se. Sevilli gune çizacin biçemunis molara. Hatta mane işkapten o kalesiz ve işkapmata atsak nyaten o. Tene ko anzagi top boz molara. Mamani remek sorte jalta ole. Tene ngera jakshi ge jaga ama pandap chungun dikta ta lokpa kirkijin namse izo chankungna pungpa ga scam shi namse tituble. Ama skot pitok punga badara muto yong he amale uri kyonsel tuwa malara. Kasale zite song ngera konrai hejik tsop chiktapse uri donesh kildo nga tans ngera. Tans pasana ta kareno shamma nokpa luyonchen ba lutong malara. Kasa lutan lezes yana. Teniyet kanyera ale. Kanskar pola aşelgi içolortela skuar laksmo jukan suluji. Despa ama çoğun esko mana hala çarpsal. Madem aslında ngaje dramatik çöçün norantena fitan alole kasalini tanspa koran logique soman somju yanşgan réflexion un az japon juk satmira telu jashinga laps tapsena divina drama double tena tansa topju to pasana tans yana alinge ka tansun stillas kaselus boyan du gavenye moi uyulen pada gavenye moi uyulen pada zakan botanstani manate dibi gangmas gerata once more zetin lo pucho kalistan gena la tok chik tangol la tok nis tangos mana la tok sumsum supa tangos jo teo sombasana tene mananga manate sangma man tapchan manangara hepas nam poso chanji sorju ne tene ngera ale ja kachigi janata ilu norandis yang ata recording train malara ta recording train mal pasana ngera ale jaxigi janga lu jans ngera jante songbasana shagaranika information office kudukpa te ngera skushar spinam gelsundun limu salazatu yatena tsola kansare ka sonami tabla salazatu ne machine bi harmonium salazatu gale tene ngera recording chiste kale songbasana Tanya juche tonda poteven ma goma ran stage ka pinkanbo ma mingun don la won chukanbo chor chukanbo ka ta shirb ge juksin yang tena tsola ma recording tampo chukanbo tena skujab stashirab ge juksin ye sambena nye pya lamenna lama kongmenona kongma ranjini ngatan las pasang me pya kongma skutin chen mojik tang mojik juksin Dasaika Juspinju, tene testing na yara ale, tanga, ajan sonam nurus kete duk, tene jung ilasika chat, assistant information officer ka, tene I drama ama chokan sak nora chesong hai, jispa, tene drama choche silchit po nga kaltena, kong information laskyoju, ta nga te kurubo, mardemo sorle mane, nye kyoktong laksmo yara pat dok juksa ju mane, nye jawani dashin batale, te mane, Yok çıkmana juk sang ale mana teo stop chan nang ngachan chache singera nyampo kyong chosan salat zadat pinju Snatok pitok majasam azum sekete yera ale kachos sosan sala zadatpin. Yatena zogla yera ale mi misena kastes mi trampojik mi migidun la mi chan la tong te yotna tene tashira piezinju. Misena mi mani randot metkanjik ju janton zatkanjik mana chize sokta inna zugi mana chitok don tangkanjik na chitok bonte dulkanjik officer jik nam kashokchik ma tashira pies tongju. Yeah, ta mana dingo ta to ang tu rang zena mek ta mana nga mana ma tong kazugi ma tong zena o ta lan chik tong era le che zena nga disi altab za kan jut mira le ka we nga je lamdon taski ta lamdon la sekat tas nga te te tu mira le cholam sa don ji ten don tan sto sena zug zak baswa dawa stab na isko te isko dingo so te ka trash be chok la langsman Mani per balance çok olan nasıl bir galle mazeran da çe mazeran no niye no çeçin daha se zuzete madik bazı çıksın ya o te sananga te tukşo zikşesi bu yara
jikta mane moya khalam mane mathong zete mola khala jale tene inang daksa ichoks migun nijagun ma sode chane noksama ki ngata ichoks migun nang pong nija thukte ngata mi thangme rangra mi chena role model mi ri gyon khalale tene jangle tene ngata e memele daksa ngata nang yam pudalches pong ngata ladak se rigju kam masante kyong chenmojik yong stemano kazuk shik molen teve ngata nang khongai kane ngata tongsa chikpo ngata ladak se ma dark days shemana le ngata ma sode met kane jak chik toshik teche shik toshik mana kazuk shik molen na jangle teve kale
ako music skes fane parlang atang tongsa on la ju tons pas on a tons da ros banyarale inna I mingun tonshes po ma pense pas chen moso yang music mana bien bien tons on ma tazam shik ni aba shite nga tazam shik serka ma ons banyarale ni memeo ka venga chos wanle amir samba ka venga mi se chos ni mi yo tons nga shite shik ma ons banyarale tam shik sunja preshi la pièce kimara tamayon sema ma serka yon denbarang matan samne pia ma ka chinmojigin nokju tena ko I jikten kundur gawe lu gawe na lu ngira gyana chuksum gyana chonga tu tir gyana chonga na lu chuksum ne pia dis murum nam yal karan I lu ton hez tingira lu chuksum kundur gawe zoskari I lu na ngira le gyana chonga na lu chuksum ne pia dis ranjina ina ma yotam chik lu te manenge matang kan mana mechu mana tashia piasi ngena chinla bitsulla moto ya mani chize chokta kale ngera ale mani ne lame chulla aba me chulla kare achotan yogo no me chulla siwana antena ne lu tan tan ne tushia ngera ale kon yergas kon pel zakani pi information ale ne tena ngera ale zingtan yure gan chat sorry Don mespas sanam major tan bujor sunchanga ta sanam nurbite sanengira yergas pangpo agar dug zanate yergas kompena pangpo sanam nurbite la miduk tan buduk ta tenna togla monyera alemano kuma dans dan sku chercher ce quoi là sti chijiktis no kanetino hindina atino urdina atino angrezina atino budigina tamana ene mana ko sama te lugun suitan sama yera le hago te nego la jo skat po hago na te skat no lugo sujiga hago etna te lu hago te na tenete skat po la yerga chichino mol te skat po matan shia mano skat po matan un sada na po mutu bola tia sada no ale jusqu'à matan to spena ngati lui no junglo ni no ye lecture temun yeja artist gunis kalna tenis fi salchen teo masala pechen no borsa na pechamine tetia teni sangma tong shige yang dang yang songba ne ka si dalti chunjang chimana ya kul pin ini era teo santa dus chente ni amma sajna yalba tan 아직 뭐도 되는 공사 밀다고 내가 터는가 저들 잠시 링셀 공사 스토리가 부르다 대외 공포대는 파지 라마지 페이스북 탐파지 뭐 잔턴 조간지 공녀랑을 카쇼지 약간 뭐 되는 거 다 스쿠샤프트시르 비스 스쿠샤스트시르 비즈라 귤 장진이 공가당 아만네스케스 파나팔라 트롱슈고셋 카파 인낭 이소세미군 마티퍼나 스케체스포 마나가셰스포 마팡스파송 마기엇파 찬지글루스 인낭 다코이 somkani lugun yankon stankani lamgun ko dikani gyaldabsgun ko pinkani yargas kon pelgun ata tsale rukse temun sila zatna temunika laglen zatna ni sambena ngata skatiga machante yuja yon or samara teneskat korona koran shia mano skat ngatang tsum stadano mulatin teo kazuwi kale juata nyampo teneskat po rangskat po mata po lu foxon collectiosiyot yatenatola jikten kundurgawe lu somatatiot tenteun ngeja artist gunis salen juzo mostengera ziksangera kon I jikten kundurgawe lu jukan bina lu gyana chuksum tukle lu gyana chuksum bina lu chuksumbo nye pia distowacho murub namgyale piale nye tangchesi piale te stauni turuti da tsogla balanguni betsoti da tsogla ka ruskyot nanga jugmane chide skyodat nyarale yanga met kamet lu tangchugat nyale nye yang spirit chigma khachan jugo sharak ma dibina nga lu tangzane tenenge tezana singa tang laksi mesko aba Eliezer Jordan tang ama kunga esko ma tsayong tang sa nyemon murub nang wala na ina amolra in jesko o amal hame putsai na amolra inle wa tenekora lu tang ama skat por demara torena I TV gonte tong e goston amata amolra aba ama esko nga TV jingos te TV us kontenera lenga lu tang chuk ziksang samshi nga tang sherjiga tenetong la rinchan nang yashat sorarakle tenatogla yarale tene skushas tashira pies rulo ma tonpo skeskot ngati parla juxpa yang skot tangchespo ma hang jikson acho nga tsoksipi angel acho yogo nomo aba ama nga ngarang aba tamana chungtu laitu ang merak yarale meme ishe samba lamyot samba trongstyang ni mikna chikarchin nakshin matangstin samshik dang koi saktia skuspur la me pulsana ma katak shik sarjikte ka pula songte tene denbarang atezana chimara tamayonspa bu manashnar shante ka sequence tene ziksang era kon skuspuri kana rinshel manamang po inkane trosdugaju ota teve starzino te mibo ma dubaj ginpin nyamshung ginpin gyala ginpin rangdot metkan ginpin jandon samkan ginpin su jigang tenamol tingira rangzan zo rangos gon sman kan achen azana lakpa yugan dul malatin te songbasana tene skuse juk mulangatang nija sangme ziksti otogira shanga geologic saltena tena rezgar exceptiona kushuri napsis kyotu karu tuk nangyara ale ha o molen skyoda zarlo tiwa karu tinang te tiwala tilan mani tiwa chik tinangera tilan manar gya nipya salata duga juman tesam ko shesgo sapmon nang kengo zapmo yetkanbo ngangarang migne tongkantang namcho sarkando mene janma yang sangme chi samat chi molla zarkanbo nga amane ralnyak tik tamang teka nartas medle ka tashirges nye migne kazuwa tong nye sema kazuk char nye namchok ne kazuwa sor jukanbo tene ngeja samkan langyala mana kwa serna chisi chu ngera serna met pa rose tam setan sinju nye joa tenain kazuk kong ngera ngatang shejiga ngatang skadiga marchiwa tang sistan yotpin yang teo skepchisi pia kong chiwa gansum misei gangma skutse gangma zatin tene te kong zatkan bo tolaga chama chuga tene ngatang chikchi molte minunga ngera kana zerkan bo migne tongo sano teo ngachane no orste kong jaltana tsam chik molte na teo ngatang migi dun la tene dangdiri ngerale ngata matches man metano chi sangma yeteno sangme sang karchanbo tene ladak spa innani ngata skadiga yasha chogoshes skadik ken goshes skadik tangoshes jungwinchik zurinchik tereare juatnie skadiga nangmechona tene ngata teole yarges mani mizernina tola margiazir
Tukje azang
skadik
tene izok salpo chuste molches pola matukje chena inanga tan tu singata exam je izok sala meru halale tene tukje izok gol demo chuste salpo chuste molches la tene azang le chok dangang masude chansol rakche zena nga ketenang nistong chuksomena memele nang yampo nga reach ta kana editor nga interview chuche skapshik thopalale tene tezaneng ngata mi nang ngara espera chol nga khong nang yam tukte zok espera tang che halale tene azang le ta ina sering shole khoi male yang po kazuk shiki relation lose tene kazuk contributions inangi khong niske culture academy nang chala halale khong mochte no request are sent ngawang sering pole ini ajang le ngawang sering le ngira kazuk shik khong nang yang po experience gun lose chia jana ngata memele tashirab gizlam man is zing mang project award mang project top to halale shik molen entene ngira request entangira ikanema age khirchesla ajang le
kasa tenengi kuja tashirab gizlam kolla tienes kuja tashirab gizlam ba le ma khata chimu yiste katkan mus kolla ni mo pochi jimba tene khondang tangpo jal khabole nga khong tanyam po thukche punya nga le chu tong bugya chu rangi sina le khachula sompin nga le te tene pala nga khong khapa ni kan bo nga shesin tansu khong somba po khong som po jigira somba po sala das skadi ngi dischat te man pa yang le khong hindi yana english le te la khong sanskrit ma gala khana kya le khong urdu ma gala khana kya le khong skadna khachi ni na nya le ma khapa ju chu ba nya yo mata kalu zena katunya le coin te de tu tum bugya ngapu ngaru binanya le ira jalala le singatimna da senyala le tene buda janti jo pale te bo siskatinya songi songa biale te zena nyala le con septi gatal ko le mucha tanyam po nyala le te chale zatya le te man panyala le com mixal nyala le pancherim po nyala le ci sur le transator yana ko ska duple sur la koni chala zato ganyale tenga te ne tu si spera ngarato ngale te ko tu juning jingale te ne panchani po chana ngi po chala zato sangale te ne juma be ganyale te ne panchani po che ko bote ngale ko na simshung ngale ko la ta square ni sola ngi pereji posto ngale nyunji samche na tale mapo puto sabanga semana ngale tene tashila gasi motola nai suengo masalan mane manem znya ranga sande salto banyala le tene panchari mbuji te sunga mo ko chalo bnya ko athenti gatna tene te sunga la banyala le ki wakran te masanya le ki pene bu thuk thate salte no la kanto sinyala le tone nya po yanga tashila gasi kundu na po nya le nga sudut ma po jina chasis kap so nya le tene suppose nya jinru ya jal tene junga ba na tene tashila biasa pa personal nya le tashila ya mo chetu mo le nga khong kenan mar kan bon nya le je ne khong ma demba le ma ne tu yuning jin nya le te lama ko ma ngon nya po misal dunya le jawari bo chale panchan rim bo tene tu la ko so ba ko la rim bo nya le khong to yu tu la ma ko ji zat kyak le te khong la da sa chara jatan ko la ta ko ma ne mata ji sha da nya le khong le ma ne kurang ngira le ngai yulu de nya special la sum gute le tu sum gu ga dun fina special ngira le te special mas ka ta le tu shi ngira le te ngara academy na yo de nya le te second edition and young thinking yes tom chi par gap se nya principal le te da sati special man tu mi ngira le te special gun le te ne te sin nya ko la da si gada pia de no le te ko gada de kan te ko gada ko le mas ka ta gute no ngira le Then this month Panjala, the Taji Shopnia, the Ko Yarjas Gompezukan School, Nizunanga, the Ko Information Department like Pille. Then a Kona te Sapar Bungira, the Kona Distele, the Kona take Achi Jomata, the Pakan Galame Pasanya, Lapman is the Paris Aduga, to the Prince, the Kona te Shun Yatama Christian Yarale. To Tabungi, the Palamane, Jishogale, Astum Ches Mirale, the Capital. To the Chemutan Jigapinale, then another Sato Malapanale, Dasingata, Exam Bunale, and Atan last month, the young Jarat by Yansigalpa, you can score the Girale. Take just the same young Chunjinal, that's a resident district, the two new Polamata, the San Siltan, Samara Girale. Then it was seen which is a question of it. So I say a few words about Tashi Rabjas, an eminent Ladakhi writer, a scholar, and a poet of repute, as well as the maker of modern Ladakhi literature. I call him the maker of modern Ladakhi literature. It's because Tashi Rabjas has done so much for the promotion of Ladakhi language, that is, I can't give much explanation about that. If I tell something about Tashi's life, Tashi was born in the year 1927 in Sakti village, situated at the distance of 50 kilometers from Leh town. He obtained his basic education from primary school Semde, situated at a distance of 7 kilometers away from his home, Sakti. After that, he moved to pursue his further studies in Leh. No doubt that he was a brilliant student of his time, so his parents sent him to Kashmir for higher education. To get Srinagar, he walked all the way from Leh to Srinagar, which took him about 16 days to get there. Upon getting to Srinagar, Tashi Rabjas obtained admission at Sri Pratap College, popularly addressed by the people as SP College Srinagar. Here he studied up to the graduation level. I vividly remember that Tashi used to talk about the scholarship of Pandit Sridhar Kaul, the person who in his service career in 1949-50 served in the education department of the government as the inspector of school in Ladakh. He said that Pandit Lulu was not only a kind person to him, but at the same time his mentor, and he had achieved so much in his lifetime because of his good guidance. Here in Srinagar, he also came into the contact with Kushok Bakula, who was at that time popularly addressed as the head Lama of Ladakh. At that time, Tashi was a young and energetic person. Of his studies at Srinagar, Kushok Bakula was the lone member of Jammu and Kashmir Assembly from Ladakh. In around 1952, Kushok Bakula appointed Tashi Rabjas as his private secretary, and with that, he remained with Kushok Bakula for many years. In 1956, he joined Kushok Bakula in a cultural mission sponsored by the government of India to Burma, the country presently known as Myanmar. Tashi Rabjas also was in the delegation for the World Fellowship of Buddhist Conference in Rangoon. The other important participants in the Buddhist conference was Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar, the architect of Indian Constitution. Tashi said to me that he somehow get very close to Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar in Rangoon, and by seeing him, Dr. Ambedkar questioned Tashi about where do you come from. When Tashi said that he is from Ladakh in India, by hearing the reply, Dr. Ambedkar responded with only one word to Tashi, said, "Learn English," means learn English means English Sikhi. Around the same time, Tashi also visited Tibet. The other person Tashi used to talk about was Kachin Ishit Tunduk, the great Ladakhi scholar who did a commendable job for revitalization of traditional Ladakhi culture, as well as to give new twist to centuries-old Ladakhi culture and customs. Tashi used to address Kachin as his spiritual master. Tashi said that he learned Tibetan language and literature from him, and Kachin remained as his spiritual teacher for a very long time. No doubt, Tashi was an eminent Ladakhi scholar, historian, philosopher, poet, and singer, beside that a Buddhist scholar of repute, who dominated the cultural and literary scenario of the region for more than half a century. I saw Tashi for the first time in Srinagar in the year 1962. Very young, and I was in Srinagar along with some 17 Ladakhi students on a vacation. I think at that time Tashi was a Ladakhi news reader at Radio Kashmir Srinagar, and he gave a lecture before us saying that you students must learn science. I think Tashi served Radio Kashmir as broadcaster in Ladakh for many years, and during that time or before, he composed dozens of modern songs which helped to bring some kind of social awakening among the oppressed Ladakhi people under Dogra regime and later by the bureaucrats coming from Kashmir to run the administration of Ladakh. After serving Radio Kashmir, I understand that Tashi moved to Gangtok, Sikkim, and here he worked as the Government of India Press, Gangtok, and served as assistant editor of a monthly journal titled Yatla Kompel, Development and Progress. In those days, Sikkim was a kingdom, and the Government of India Press was established in Sikkim to propagate the development that India is making in the field of science and technology through the medium of Tibetan language. After that, in the year 1960, Tashi briefly worked as lecturer in Tibetan language at the University of Delhi. Around 1964, Tashi got appointment in the Information Department of Jammu and Kashmir as Assistant Officer, Information Officer Leh. During his assignment as Assistant Information Officer Leh, Tashi did a commendable job by publishing a monthly journal, Yatla Kompel, in Ladakhi language to educate the people of Ladakh about the development activities carried by the state government in the field of socio-cultural sphere. Here I am to say that in 1975, I was a candidate for a post in the Jammu and Kashmir Academy of Art, Culture, Languages. There was a selection board constituted by the academy, and interestingly, I found Tashi as the language expert, and he instantly selected me for the post. With that, I remained in touch with Tashi till his last breath. On my request, as well as his sheer love for literature, Tashi wrote more than 100 articles for the Academy Ladakhi publications, and I, as an editor of the Academy's journal, availed the opportunity to read all his compositions. In around 1980, Tashi published his book on Ladakh history, the book which was not only welcomed by the scholars community of Ladakh, but at the same time, all walks of people, those who were interested in the field of Ladakhi history. His other well-acclaimed book is Ladakhi folk songs, about which I already talked. For his contribution in the field of Ladakhi literature, Tashi was conferred prestigious award in the year 1990. Prior to that, in the year 1986, he was again conferred prestigious robe of honor by Jammu Kashmir Academy. He was also a recipient of Dogra Ratan Award from the Dogra Sansthan. Tashi was the founder president of Ladakh Cultural Forum and also remained associated with the International Association for Ladakh Studies. He also served the Ladakh Ecological Development Group as education officer. In this way, in numerous ways, Tashi contributed by writing articles, poetry, and brought a sense of pride among the Ladakhi people. I think, I talked something about Tashi in English, and I think now we can move again to Ladakhi. Anyway,
thank you, Azangle. Thank you, Azangle. And like you have called him the maker of modern Ladakhi language. Similarly, Tsewang Phuntsok, former secretary of JNK, termed him, Tashi Rabgez, as grand old man of Ladakh. So definitely, besides being a historian, Tashi Rabges is equally an acclaimed master of Buddhism and Buddhist philosophy for sure. And we lost a gem in Ladakh, and it was a very unfortunate day that we lost him recently. And thank you so much, Ajang Lezuk de muchos de mola jaches ngatai. Tarung in ngata khong e document gun khong kitab tam jigi zuk song khong kazu contributions jigi teo nge sambena document just bor gota yung just contribution त्यो document जस्ते बोर्चेस पुण्य संबेनामा खर्चन जिक समर खाला जांले थुकजे छे जांले तेने जुक सालपो जस्ते मोलचेस ला तेने अजांग मोरम नाम गेल yang जुक सालपो जस्ते मोलचेस ला थुकजे छे तेने रेवाचन खो ई लास ग्याला गुन ngata कुले ngata चाहे कल्चर एकेडमी इंदो या यंग डिपार्टमेंट गुन इंदो ई गुने माल डेमो जस्ते डॉक्यूमेंट जस्ते ठुगु थांग मांगा यो चेस्टाने ठुगु गुन लंगा यो स्ता देन जरकान बो रेवाचन थुकजे छे निस्का लाले